Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, CSS In-Depth Second Edition, written by Keith J. Grant.
CSS is a unique blend of design and abstract thinking, requiring both creativity and technical understanding. This chapter delves into the foundational concepts of CSS, such as the cascade, specificity, and inheritance, which are essential for mastering the language. The cascade is a set of rules that determine how styles are applied, with the following criteria used to resolve conflicts. Style sheet origin: author, user, and user-agent styles, with author styles usually taking precedence. Inline styles: styles in the style attribute override style sheet rules. Layers: CSS layers allow for prioritization of style rules. Selector specificity: more specific selectors override less specific ones. Scope proximity: styles scoped to a part of the DOM take priority within that scope. Source order: the last declared style in the CSS takes precedence if all other criteria are equal. Understanding the cascade is vital for writing predictable CSS. Specificity is a measure of a rule's precedence, with lower specificity preferred for flexibility. Source order can be the deciding factor when other criteria are equal. Avoid inline styles in JavaScript to prevent specificity issues. Inheritance allows elements to receive styles from ancestor elements, simplifying styling by reducing redundancy. Not all properties are inherited, but many text-related properties are. Browser developer tools are invaluable for managing complex inheritance and understanding which styles are applied to elements. Special values like inherit, initial, unset, and revert offer ways to manipulate the cascade. Inherit forces an element to take a property value from its parent. Initial resets a property to its default value. Unset acts as inherit for inheritable properties and initial for others. Revert undoes author styles while keeping user-agent styles. These keywords are subject to the cascade and can be overridden by more specific selectors. Shorthand properties allow setting multiple related properties at once. However, they can unintentionally override other styles if not used carefully. The order of values is important, with some properties following a specific sequence, for example, trouble for margin and padding. CSS is designed for forward and backward compatibility, allowing for progressive enhancement. This approach ensures basic functionality in older browsers, while adding enhancements for modern browsers. The cascade allows browsers to ignore unrecognized declarations, maintaining usability. Feature queries with @supports enable styling based on feature support. Experimental CSS features can be enabled in browser settings for testing. By understanding these core principles, developers can create more effective and maintainable CSS, ensuring a better experience across different browsers and devices.
Get this book at manning.com